How to recover TikTok suspended account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to recover TikTok suspended account. So here, TikTok may suspend accounts for violating community guidelines, suspicious activity, and age restriction. And the suspension can be temporary or permanent, but there are ways through which you can try to recover your account. So here, let's move forward with the first step, that is to understand the reason for suspension. So here, when you try to log in, TikTok usually shows a message explaining why your account is suspended. So here, for common reason for that is violating the community guidelines if you are on underage account, or if you do suspicious login activity or multiple login attempts on the TikTok app. So knowing the reason is the key to recovery. And with that, moving forward to the second step, that is to appeal through the TikTok app. So here, what you can do is you can just go to the TikTok app, and now here, once you are inside the TikTok app, you'll be prompted to the login screen. Now here, what you can do is you can just tap on appeal or learn more on the suspension notice, and after that you can just fill out the appeal form with accurate details, and there you can include your username, email, phone number, and brief explanation if you believe that the suspension was mistake. And with that, you can just submit the appeal, and TikTok usually responds via email within a few days. And with that, if the appeal option is not available, you can just go to the settings section, and from there you can just scroll down, and there you can just tap on report a problem, and after that you can simply tap on your username and search for it, and after that you can simply tap on suspended account, and after that you can simply submit a request. And with that, simply provide all requested information and explain why your account should be reinstated, and with that, TikTok reviews may appeal manually. And here, if your reasoning was reviewed properly, then you may get a chance to take the suspension back from your TikTok account. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.